Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and today I'll show you how to reset the settings. So to get started, let's go into the settings itself, scroll all the way down to System, and from here tap on Reset, from where you will see at the top Reset All Settings. Tap on this, it will provide you with information that will reset. So you have network settings, fingerprint, face recognition data, and lock screen password. So as you also see, I have a passcode right now, and once I perform this, it will completely remove it and forget it. So step on reset all settings, confirm that, reset all settings once more, resetting, and there we go, it's done. And now if I lock the device, unlock it, you can see that there is no more pattern whatsoever. So any kind of protection have been removed along with the network settings. So that is how you would reset the settings, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.